my block, so you know I got a temper. And people so fake like I'm out full of dentures. Ash was missing shots, so you know I had to venture. I gotta get away and little mama, please remember. I wanna take a ride by myself. I wanna get high by myself. I can't take me get away. I wanna take a ride by myself. I wanna get high by myself. Another day, I really wanna take a ride by myself. Don't want no one inside. Don't need nobody help. And all this pain inside, I want to get away. Just want to clear my mind and see some better days, but I can't seem to get away. I'm seeing clothes always in the way. Times it's hard all day and night. Really want a trip so you hit it right, but I have to move on and go and live, and I have to push on the 2 turns and go. I wanna take a ride by myself. I wanna get high by myself. Can't see me get away. I wanna take a ride by myself. I wanna get high by myself. Living the other day, be riding by myself. I'm losing all my weight, stress ain't good for my health. I gotta get away and take a cruise for myself. Things against the world, now I know I Pac felt. A lot of hard times, these the cards that I was dealt. I gotta get away and take a cruise for myself. A glass of champagne, no can rain, no one else. Money in my pocket, I ain't trading all with one seat. Like I should've taken, so yeah, I'm gon' take it. I gotta get away, cause I ain't even trying to face it. I'm living every day, champ, just trying to make it. I walk a thin line, so I ain't even trying to fake it. Up and away, I take off in my spaceship. Road to success, but on the journey straight to greatness. Being myself, G4, I'm fly. Way up in the air, there's nobody this high. I ride by myself. Yeah, I wanna get high by myself. I wanna take a ride by myself. I wanna get high by myself. I wanna get high by myself. By myself. By myself. Oh. Nobody else. Nobody else. I wanna get away. Ain't thank God for checking my shit out. It's Devey 2G. You did. LB.
Devey 2G family.
It's in your style, it's your smile. I said, baby, can you come to you? I said, it's in your time, it's your love. I said, wow, we had to go and break up. I said, it's my girl. I said, it's my girl. Oh, it's my girl. It's my girl. It's my girl. Shout out to my nigga Dusty. Yeah. I'm really missing you. I wish that I was kissing you. It wouldn't be existing that them hoes you didn't listen to. I was chasing paper, so I had some other shit to do. Baby girl, remember, I'm the reason that your wrist is blue. But no bullshit, you make a nigga fall straight. Now, baby girl, I need you like a gun, need a full clip. When you in trouble, I'll pull quick. If you was the pawn, the star, I'll make you my full wish. But on another note, I'm feeling like your love is go. So, baby, can you tell me where the love and go? From late nights on the beach to early mornings on the yacht. I'm missing you, no kissing you, got me on red. It's like a body need blood, baby. I need your hug, your love. It make me feel like I'm on some drugs. I feel like throwing some slugs. I'm missing you right now. I feel like my heart's a bust. It's your I said, baby, can you drop me out? I'm missing your touch. It's your love. I said, wow, we have to go and break up. Missing my girl. I said, I'm missing my girl. Missing my girl. Missing my girl. Missing my girl. I said, I'm missing my girl. And I'm missing your laugh. It's your smile. I said, baby, girl, you drop me out. I said, I'm missing your touch. It's your love. I said, wow, we had to go and break up. I said, I'm missing my girl. I said, I'm missing my girl. Missing my girl. Missing my girl. Missing my girl. I said, I'm missing my girl. Yeah, I said, I'm missing my girl. It's 2GLP. You think that?
Yeah.
Come on for Norman. Some fast ways up niggas out here drop this daisy. I'm on some other. Shout out to my brothers and you hate you ass. Cause we made it, motherfucker. I'm on, and ain't no fucking off switch. Swear I'm on some bullshit, bitches. Step into my office. Now my swag didn't cost shit. Spending money on one outfit. See, I'm the true motherfucker, don't doubt this. You know nothing about this. Too much extra out shit. And a whole lot of running that mouth, bitch. I eat beef in and out shit. 2 bucks, I cheese, some sauce, bitch. Oh shit, boy cold. Way too cold, no the boy froze. Somewhere chilling in the north.